These are 10 cool gadgets that you absolutely need on your desk. Technically, there are 7 tech gadgets and 3 not so tech but really interesting gadgets that I'll show you at the end, so don't miss that. But let's get started with the first one. First up is this really handy armrest that will make your life a whole lot more comfortable. I mean, this can be attached to any desk that's up to 2 inches thick and it's easy to attach. You can just set it up on your desk like this, and I like that it does not damage the desk or anything. Now you can just put your arms on this, and this has padded memory foam that makes things very comfortable. This is also 180-degree rotatable, so you can angle it the way you want. This is honestly great if you work long hours, and this only costs 500 rupees, so I think it's worth it. And pro tip, get 2 of these. Next up is this, and this looks pretty cool, right? Let me show you what it does. So first up, this is an alarm clock that looks really nice, so you can see the time and you can set an alarm, but this also works as a humidifier. For people who don't know, humidifiers are basically devices that add moisture to the air around you to prevent dryness while also improving air quality. Apart from that, the best thing about this is that this also works as a diffuser, so you can just add essential oil here and this will diffuse it and make your whole desk very pleasant while looking amazing with this flame effect that you can customize. I mean, it's beautiful to look at and this is very silent. Yeah, your desk needs this, and the price is 2,500 rupees, but for what it offers, I think it's pretty justified. So this is a USB hub for your desk, but it's not your usual USB hub. This is actually great. First up, this is a 6-in-1 USB hub, and this has 2 USB-A ports, a headphone jack, an SD card reader, a micro SD card reader, a USB-C port, which is a Thunderbolt 3 supported port, and supports speedy charging as well. So it has everything you need and all of the ports work fine, it's all cool, but the interesting thing is, the top of the hub is actually a 10-watt wireless charger, so you can place your phones, your earbuds and charge them while also using this as a USB hub. Pretty cool, right? The price is 2,500 rupees and I like how it looks too. Next up is this whiteboard for your desk that you absolutely need, but there's actually more to it than meets the eye. First off, you can just set it up between your monitor and your keyboard, and I like how it has an angled design so you can write on it naturally. Now this comes with a dry erase marker and the surface is tempered glass, so writing on it is pretty nice. You can write notes on it, the tasks you have in your day. Yeah, this is pretty handy. This also looks really nice on your desk, and the cool thing is it has a hidden storage drawer here which is divided into these compartments so you can store things like your pencils, markers and other stationery. This whiteboard costs 2,000 rupees and this will improve your productivity, and just do what it says. Subscribe because we are making some cool videos, right? Next up is this very premium looking Deskspread that's actually really cool. I mean, Deskspreads are supposed to be nice and this is real nice. I like how it does not slip from the desk, you can use your mouse on it, and I like how minimal and premium this looks and feels. The USP though is that this has a wireless charger built in right here in the corner. This is awesome. You can just connect the cable it comes with and then just place your phone, your earbuds here to charge it. It also has these LEDs to signify when a device is charging, and yeah, this is great, and I like how this supports 15-watt charging. Now there's one thing, the placement of the cable is a bit weird at the weird place, but this is very cool. The price is 2,900 rupees, so a bit high, but hey, very cool. Next up is this gadget, and this is not for your desk, this is for below your desk, and trust me, this will change your life. So this is actually a footrest that you can set up below your desk, and trust me, you are going to love it. You can use it in multiple ways. You can use it like a normal footrest, but you can also use it like a swinging footrest. You can use it for ankle support. You can even use it for thigh support on your sofa, or even use it as a pillow. Plus this is detachable, so you can remove this and use it as a back pillow on your chair. Yes, this is awesome and it does not slip. I also love how soft this is, and if you're wondering, the cover is washable. Now honestly, any price is worth it for this, but this costs 1,600 rupees, and jokes apart, this is actually useful. Now this is another gadget that you don't really need to keep on your desk, but this is very useful beside your desk. So this is a dustbin, and you can use it like a dustbin in your desk, but what's really cool is that this dustbin is also a shredder. So you can just put in some papers and this will shred it without any issues. You can even put in your old credit card, debit cards, and this will shred it. Now there's also a CD destroyer feature here, and yeah, push CD destroyer button. But who uses CDs these days? Maybe a pen drive button would be great, no? This also has a handy slider with a reverse button which basically spits back the paper in case of emergency. Anyway, some specs, this has a capacity of 12 liters, this can run continuously for 2 minutes, this can destroy 8 sheets of 70 GSM paper. What? Basically, it can destroy paper. The price, 2,800 rupees. Now remember at the start I told you about these not so tech but really interesting gadgets that you need to have on your desk? Let me show you. So first up is this drawer that you can set up under your desk. You can just stick it below your desk like this and well, you have a hidden cool drawer. I mean, you can keep things here instead of your desk to reduce clutter, and this is just great for 300 rupees. Then there's a super cool desk organizer that costs 450 rupees and looks like an old cassette. I mean, this looks really cool on the desk with the whole nostalgic vibe, and it has these slots to keep pens, pins and other stuff, and what's awesome is that this has a built-in scotch tape dispenser. Lastly is this really nice looking phone and pen stand. I mean, this has an aluminum build with a matte polished finish, and yes, this is a great looking desk gadget. Yeah, all of these gadgets will make your desk look really cool. In fact, we created this desk setup that I think looks pretty nice, and we also created this desk setup that also looks really sweet. So comment down below what other desk gadgets that you use. So comment down below, share this video, and make sure to give it a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. These new Chrome flags will make your experience way, way better. You can now use your fingerprint to autofill your saved password.